Meet Elena. She's smart, driven, and completely exhausted. She starts her day with caffeine and ends it with a screen, wondering where all her time went. She feels like she's running a marathon on a treadmill, moving fast, but going nowhere. But what if I told you Elena doesn't need more hours in the day? She just needs to sync with her internal operating system. Today, we're going on a journey through Elena's perfect day, using 4 free biological tools that will double your productivity and protect your peace. No supplements, no expensive gadgets, just science. Tool number 1, the Circadian Anchor. Within 30 minutes of waking up, Elena does something simple. She goes outside. She doesn't look directly at the sun, but she lets that natural light hit her eyes for 10 minutes. Why? Because those photons trigger a master clock in her brain. This signals her body to release a healthy spike of cortisol, giving her natural energy, and sets an internal timer for melatonin to be released 16 hours later. If you want to sleep better tonight, you have to anchor your brain this morning. It's 10 a.m. Elena is at work. Instead of multitasking, she uses tool number 2, the visual tunnel. Neuroscience shows that where your eyes go, your focus follows. When Elena narrows her visual field to just her monitor, her brain secretes a chemical called acetylcholine. This is the glue for concentration. She sets a timer for 90 minutes. No phone, no extra tabs, just the tunnel. By controlling her eyes, she's literally forcing her neurons to fire in sync. Elena finishes in 2 hours what used to take her all day. At 2 p.m., stress hits. Elena receives a difficult deadline. Her heart rate climbs. Instead of panic, she uses tool number 3, the physiological sigh. It's the fastest way to calm your nervous system in real time. Watch Elena. She takes a deep breath through her nose, followed by a second, tiny pop of air at the very top. Then, a long, slow exhale through her mouth. This double inhale pops open the tiny air sacs in her lungs, allowing her to offload maximum carbon dioxide. In just 2 breaths, her heart rate drops. She's back in control. Finally, the evening. Elena used to work until 9 p.m., but now she uses the sunset buffer. Viewing the low-angle sun of the evening sends a second signal to her brain. The day is ending. Protect the sleep. This light actually makes her eyes less sensitive to the blue light of her phone later on. She locks her phone away 1 hour before bed. Now, her evening isn't just time left over. It's time for her. Reading, stretching, or just being present. Elena didn't buy more time. She just stopped fighting her biology. Productivity isn't about doing more. It's about managing your energy so you can enjoy the life you're working so hard for. Which of these 4 tools are you going to test tomorrow? The morning light or the physiological sigh? Tell me in the comments below. Let's get a little bit better than yesterday. I'll see you on the path.